Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are moving on to the dessert portion of our holiday series. Today we are making Anginetti, which are my favorite cookies for Christmas. I love them so much. I look forward to this time of year, for so many reasons, but also because I know I'm gonna get to have the Anginetti. So if you've been here for a while, you know that I actually did this recipe for the first time in 2017, and I'm not gonna lie, it hasn't changed. But because it has been so long, I wanted to completely redo the video, completely redo the pictures. It's seriously like my favorite recipe ever, and I just wanted to give it the proper love and attention it deserves now that I'm a little more skilled in my video making. So I hope you try these cookies out. They are absolutely incredible. The texture is like cakey and cookie, and they're sweet but not overly sweet, and they're so good. We have them Christmas Eve, and then I have them Christmas morning with my cup of tea and my Christmas breakfast. Oh, it's so good. And the sprinkles are completely vegan. I'll link where I got them from down below. The full written out recipe is on my blog. You can find that in the description box down below. There's a link for that. All the ingredients are written out in the description box down below, and there's a link for my cookbook Plantiful. If you like desserts, I gotta tell you, the dessert section of Plantiful is seriously probably one of my favorite sections, which is so ironic because I don't do that many desserts on here, but I actually really love to make desserts. So the dessert section has rainbow cookies and my perfect chocolate chip cookies, brownies, strawberry shortcake, mini salted caramel cheesecake. It's the absolute, it's really great, that section. So yeah, cookbook makes a great holiday gift. So with all that being said, let's go make these cookies. To start this off, we are going to cream together some vegan butter and organic sugar. Make sure you use organic sugar for this recipe because unfortunately some recipes, some sugars can be processed with bone char, so we don't want that. So use the back of your fork to mash it up until it looks something like this. And then we are going to add in the rest of our wet ingredients. So we have some non-dairy milk, unsweetened, unflavored. We have some vegetable oil. We have a vegan egg replacer. I like the one from Bob's Red Mill, and we're adding in some vanilla extract. And then I'm going to give this a little mix together. And then we're going to add in our anise extract in a second. So this is the star of the show. This is what gives this cookie its signature flavor, in my opinion. Some people do put lemon in there, but you just need a little bit of this anise extract and it's perfect. And I like to add not too much in because it can be very overpowering. If you want it to have a stronger flavor, you can add more in the icing later. We'll get there. So then we're going to add in some baking powder and all-purpose flour and just mix this together until it turns into a dough. Very simple. And when I know it's all done is when I'm mixing it and it's holding its shape, and then I can roll it into a little ball like this. We're done. Perfect. So scoop out about a tablespoon per cookie and just roll it into a circle between your hands. Place it on a baking sheet. If you know that your baking sheets kind of stick, add some parchment paper on there. I know that this one does not. And that's it. These are ready to be put in the oven. We're going to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. And that's it. That's all you have to do. They're very simple to make, only a few ingredients. And when they come out of the oven, they'll look like this. So you see they kind of flatten a little bit and they get kind of crackly on top. This is exactly the consistency we're going for. And if you pick them up after you let them cool for a few minutes, the bottoms will be slightly golden, but really not browned or anything. This is kind of a pale cookie. You want it to look like this. So then we're going to make our icing. So I have some powdered sugar here, organic powdered sugar again. I'm going to add in a little bit more of that anise extract. You don't have to do this if you feel that your cookies have enough flavor. You can taste a cookie before you ice them. And we're going to add in a little bit of water. I like to add my water in slowly and just keep mixing because if you get it too runny and not the consistency you want, then it's just so annoying to have to keep adding in powdered sugar, in my opinion. So now we're going to move on to decorating. These are the sprinkles I'm using. I'll have them linked down below, and they are vegan. Some sprinkles aren't vegan because of the confectioner glaze in them, which is made from crushed up beetles, which is just gross. So just check your sprinkles. Dip your little cookie into the icing, the glaze, the frosting, whatever you want to call it. Let any excess drip off. I like to do this on a wire rack so that way that excess glaze can drip down. Let the glaze kind of set for a minute, and then you can add your sprinkles on top. And make sure to let any of that excess glaze drip off back into the bowl as much as you can so that way you don't run out of frosting. So these are them when they're all done. They are fun, they're pretty, they're festive. You can use any sprinkles you want on top. Obviously, I just went with the green, red, and white because it's perfect for this time of year. Add them to a beautiful serving dish, and I know they're not the most gorgeous cookies, but they do look really pretty and they're really easy to make. And like I said, they are my favorite Christmas cookie, and I just really wanted to give the recipe some newfound attention. And if you've never tried them, definitely give them a shot because I think you will really love them. They're very good, they're light, they're kind of cakey, they're cookie-ish, they're my favorite cookie, so give them a try.